Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be trying something new. We're gonna do a Korean Mexican fusion. We're gonna make some beef bulgogi and put it in tacos. And yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes. Never done this before, but yeah, let's hope it works. For the bulgogi marinade, we're gonna be doing 2 green onions, about 1/3 of an Asian pear, 3 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, gochujang, gochujang, sesame oil, and soy sauce. We got our flank steak here, ready to go. So now I'm just gonna chop everything up, throw it into a bowl, chop up the beef, nice marinade, leave it for about an hour, and then we're gonna cook it with the rest of our ingredients. So one of the things that we're going to be adding to our tacos today is pickled red onions. And for that, all we'll need is 1 large red onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 cup of white vinegar, salt, pepper, and sugar. Now we're gonna do just a little bit of Kewpie mayo and gochujang, just eyeballing it with a little bit of vegetable oil. We're gonna do a little bit of Aunt Jemima, because I'm white and it's a little too spicy for me. That's pretty good. Now we're gonna cook some corn tortillas. They're gonna taste floury if you don't. Well, she's looking beauty there. You know, I'm really good with chopsticks because I grew up using them in central Alberta. Fuck. We're gonna start off with our tortilla, our gochujang. Throw some fucking meat on there. Beauty. Oh my god. Some jalapenos. Some. Oh. Wow. That's really fucking good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Try out the recipe if you want. You should. And don't forget to like and subscribe.